Kings 11 Punjab and Mumbai Indians played one-of-a-kind match in the history of Indian Premier League as the result of the match was decided after two super overs. KL Rahul says his team will take the 2 points but would also not like to make a habit of taking the matches so deep. KL Rahul hailed his players and said the results have not done justice to the hard yard they had put in throughout the tournament. KL Rahul acknowledged Chris Gale's presence in the team, saying he has made his job easy. The 28-year-old captain also talked highly of Mohammad Shami, who defended 6 runs in the first super over. Rahul said Shami was clear with his plans and wanted to bowl 6 Yorkers. Yeah, okay, it is not the first time, but we don't want to make a habit out of it. We will take the 2 points in the end. It doesn't always happen the way you plan, so you don't really know how to stay balanced. I was just hoping we get over the line because the boys have been working really hard. In the games that we have lost, even then we have played well and just not been able to get over the line. After wicket keeping for 20 overs, I knew the first 6 overs were crucial. The wicket was slightly slower, so it was important for us to get runs in the power play. I knew Chris and Pooran, I trust them to take down spinners, so Chris coming in has made my job easier as a batter. You can now prepare for super overs. No team does, so you have to trust your bowler's gut. You trust your bowler and let them believe their instinct and gut. Shami was very clear he wanted to go 6 Yorkers. He has been phenomenal and keeps getting better with every game. Rahul asserted that Kings 11 will have to stick to the processes and win everything in the tournament now. It is important that senior players win the games for the team, but we will still want to take one game at a time. It is sweet after the kind of matches we have lost, but the talk in the dressing room is to focus on the process. We know we need to win everything from here, but we can't forget the processes that lead to a win, KL Rahul said after the match.